All right, let's survey the damage. Focus on the hydraulics.
Understood. Checking the landing gear now.
Got a thermal reading here. Looks like unstable metal.
The rubber is completely flat, and the strut.
And the strut is compromised.
We need new parts for sure. All right, this section here. Got it. And then the engine casing here. Yep, marking that now.
You see that billet there?
Affirmative. Keep checking the blades.
Secure the latch. Prepare the strap.
Tension strap.
Make that clear. Slow operation, everyone. Slow.
I'm seeing significant structural corrosion here.
Let me take a look. The yoke is loose.
Can you feel resistance on the pedals?
A little. Let me check the trim.
The plan is simple. Follow the route to the west. Avoid the perimeter and the main hangar.
Copy that.
Move out.
Keep your grass line straight.
Right, understood.
Watch out for that concrete over there.
On it.
Tire good. Move to the next joint.
All right, keep working.
Looks solid. Secure? Secure?
Secure.
Okay, let's move it. Check the wheel, slow movement.
Copy. Initiating tow.
Monitor the nose here carefully.
Main gear looking clear.
Stop. Air brakes.
Keep it low.
Cover, moving slowly.
Check the tail clearance. Over.
Watch the wing tip on the right. Careful, put the sensor. I got it, look at it. Sit around the edges, then move to the window.
I see some bad rust here. Yeah, right there. Get that spot. Keep going, you missed the slope. Okay, moving in now. Sort the tracks to the left. These tracks are samples.
Got it.
Roger. Almost there. Just a bit more. Perfect. Thanks. Ready to go. See the picking here?
Yes.
Marking now. Verified. Okay. The stress fracture is located on panel 17. Beneath the port wing.
Yeah, lie down.
Apply right tape there. Good.
Almost there. Yeah.
Careful with that. Steady.
Checking the structure now. Looks like we need to replace these tires.
The gauge reads within spec.
What about this line here?
Ah, good eye. That might be the source. Okay, now straight the sealant right here.
Got it.
Good. Now move down to the section.
All right, work on it.
This beam needs reinforcement. Yes, I see the stress cracks. Secure right here.
Got it. Got it. I'm seeing some weird here.
Let's reinforce that section. The patch needs to cover this entire corroded section, approximately 8 inches in length.
Understood. I will cut them out now.
Position precisely under wing roots.
Got it. Spacing looks good.
Engage the hydraulics slowly.
Stacks are secured.
Well done. Okay, keep going. Almost there. Careful. Just a little more pressure. There it goes. I think this section is ready.
Yeah, looks good. Hitting this needle here.
Great. Moving to the next spot. Keep pumping. The oil's pretty clear now.
Okay, here's the new filter. What do you want?
Right there. So left main cylinder.
Good.
Tighten it down.
All right, test pressure.
Hold the down PSI.
Check the fitting here.
See anything?
Got a small one. You decide the pressure now.
Okay, adjusting now. Should be good. Okay, gears moving.
Looks good. Keep steady.
Test complete. Successful retraction.
Nice work.
Perfect. Just right.
Tightening.
Check the marks.
Verified.
Set the shin flush in flange.
Checking line. Looks true.
Okay, tightening collar now.
Torque carefully. Confirm seat.
Okay, right, I just finished on that last bit. Got it. Okay, let's get this one hooked up.
Ready when you are.
And route it carefully, no rubbing. You did the same moves there. Okay, engaging latch.
Right.
Checking the seam.